Boom. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This is Dr. Juriben. Okay, in this short video clip, we are going to be discussing momentum, right? So, number one, what is momentum? Momentum is simply the product of mass and velocity of a body, right? Good. And it's measured in what? Kilogram meters per second. That is momentum. However, it is important for you to know that there is a law in momentum called the law of linear momentum. And this law states that the momentum of a body before and after impact remains the same. Before and after collision remains the same. Momentum never changes, okay? Irrespective of the type of collision. As for the matter of fact, we have three basic types of collision in momentum. And the first type of collision is referred to as the totally elastic collision. The second one is referred to as the inelastic collision. And the third one is referred to as the totally inelastic collision. Okay? In an elastic collision, which is referred to as a total inelastic, in an elastic collision, which is referred to as a total elastic collision, this type of collision, number one, there is rebounds. Number two, energy is not lost in the process. Even if it is lost, it's highly negligible. And then number three, momentum is conserved, okay? And this takes place in subatomic particles only. They are the ones that can collide with each other, rebounds without losing energy. And then that takes us to the inelastic collision. In inelastic collision, what happens is that the two bodies collide with each other. Energy is lost through sound or through vibration or through wave or through friction or through heat. So energy is lost in an inelastic collision. However, momentum is conserved, and as far as rebounds is concerned, it is also applicable. So this is a type of collision that takes place among human beings, among cars, among bodies, you can just name them. Then the totally inelastic collision is a type of collision that takes place between two bodies. When they collide, they stick together and move with a common velocity. We call it totally inelastic collision. And in that collision, it is also very important to know that momentum is conserved. For the matter of fact, momentum is conserved in all three types of collision. Okay? Energy is lost, but here there is no rebounds. Coefficient of restitution. In a totally elastic collision, restitution is equal to 1. In a totally inelastic collision, restitution is equal to 0. And of course, in an elastic collision, which is the type of collision that happens between you and I and people, vehicles around, coefficient of restitution is less than 1, but greater than 0. That's right? Hope you learned something. If you have done, click the subscription button, like our videos, and share with your friend. Till we cross our path again, I remain Dr. Juriben. Boom. Oh!